Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a them reading. I know you're looking for your you and yours, right? But a couple of days left of June. I didn't want to do an in-depth reading. I'm waiting for the July energies, hoping something will change then. So today we'll just kind of check on your partner and or the person that you're thinking of and see what's in their mind and how they are feeling. Okay? And these are general collective readings. Aquarius will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. Thank you for your likes and shares and care and all that. Very, very grateful for your support. And if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you as well to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Suddenly my throat is choking up. 1 second. Okay. Any problems, Aquarius, not talking to each other? Or bad communication? I don't see any communication cards here. In fact, I feel some truths have been revealed here. Some things have come out in the open. All right. So, yes, there's been your person is feeling very emotional, first of all, at the moment. Maybe, yes, very emotionally overwhelmed, could be a bit fearful as well. They feel there is some kind of imbalance which is happening in this connection, or this connection is right now not very harmonious. They feel that maybe you're not putting in enough work to make this connection work, and there is no emotional happiness between the two of you. Maybe there were some lies which got caught in the past. Let's see. Why does Aquarius's person have the moon card, spirit? Aquarius's person have the moon card. Sometimes Aquarius, they could feel that even though you guys are maybe in a connection or you don't want to be in it, or there's some kind of defensive energy that is going on here, which is not allowing this harmony, this Four of Wands, to be happily, this happily ever after kind of feeling. There's some lack of wish fulfillment here, because they maybe feel that you've got your barriers up, or you got your guard up, or something like that. Temperance in reverse. Temperance. They do want to work on things, though. They're getting impatient. They want to work things out with you because they like you. They like you a lot. They think you're gorgeous. They think you are... but somehow they feel this... They could be worried about gossip. I don't know. Or you could be... There is something which is stopping this stability in this connection. Maybe some immature behavior. I don't know. Eight of Pentacles, spirit, in reverse. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, somebody is feeling, even though they want to take action, maybe they feel you're not putting in the work, you're ignoring them, you are neglecting them. They feel you're not doing the right thing, this is not justice. They feel you are angry with them maybe, or suspicious of them. Overall, whatever's happening here, Aquarius, from what I feel, there's a bit of disharmony here, lack of emotional happiness between the two of you right now. Why do they feel that, spirit? Why do they feel that? Some conversation happened here, some communication happened, some truth came out maybe, and because of that they felt things have ended between the two of you, or at least they're feeling devastated after whatever was revealed here. Something which in the past was hidden came to light. So what was this Ace of Swords in reverse, spirit? Ace of Swords in reverse. Somebody maybe didn't speak properly or didn't speak at all. I don't know. They see you as very stable and taking care of yourself, or maybe they feel that you've made a decision without them, and they feel that you're being rash and impulsive, and maybe there was a bit of a fight regarding something which came out, or some news that was received, Aquarius. There was some news which was pushed into the background maybe, but it came out, and even though they see you happy with it and having made a decision, they find that this is very immature behavior, and there could have been a bit of a conflict regarding that. So what's this Lovers in reverse, Spirit? Lovers in reverse. Somebody is going to be coming forward with a small apology or something like that after things have. Empress is in reverse, Magician is in reverse, Hierophant is in reverse, and then I have the Page of Cups, which means sooner or later, whatever is happening here, whatever disharmony, whatever lack of growth, forward movement is happening, sooner or later, Aquarius, I do see somebody is going to make that choice, maybe to save this relationship and maybe apologize. Right now, how they are feeling is that they feel that you're not putting in enough investment into this connection, not giving it enough time or energy, and you don't love them as much as maybe you did at one point. They don't want to lose you. They're feeling this connection is losing its strength. Too many cards. How else, Spirit? Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, they feel you keep yourself very guarded. They feel that this is their perception, Aquarius. You don't have to get upset with me. This is how they are feeling, that oh my God, you're not open, and you're very reserved with them nowadays. You don't care for them as much. You don't invest in this connection as much. And where you are concerned, Aquarius, you feel that, yes, you feel the same way, that this connection is right now it's stuck. There's no forward movement. There's nothing exciting to look forward to. Maybe a bit of boredom as well, and yet even through all this, whatever's happening, you're trudging along. You're not shutting the door on them, or ending this chapter with them or anything like that. Even though maybe from your side you could be feeling your person is very immature and is not grounded enough for you, and you want them to level up. You want them to level up and be that equal partner who will have equal give and take responsibility. Sometimes you feel that they are a bit immature, and even though, yes, the connection is there, the longevity of this connection is there, you feel, where is the emotional happiness, right? Ten of Pentacles is a structured connection, maybe a marriage or whatever, but you feel the 10 Cups, which is the emotion, is lacking. So you're both kind of feeling the same way at the moment. They feel you're not investing, you feel they are not investing, and their biggest fear is why they behave like this, Aquarius, because they feel that maybe one day you're going to abandon them or leave them out in the cold. They're very worried about being cast away. Five of Pentacles, yes, they fear that, they fear that if you become this abundant person, which you want to become, from what I saw here with the Queen of Pentacles, you may just prefer to be single and, be by yourself and take care of your own self. And their fear of rejection or being left behind is causing them to behave the way they're behaving. Not because they don't love you. In fact, they want you to prove to them that you love them more now. Okay? Since whatever news has come. Nine of Wands in reverse. Nine of Wands in reverse. I think sooner or later, balance will be restored to this connection. If you guys are keeping yourselves, guarded from each other, a decision will be made. Other apologies coming, and maybe a message as well. Your person will reach out. You may not believe them. That's a different story, because you're going to be feeling that, oh no, not again. They've come again to reunite with me, and they are again going to make these promises, and they're going to break them again. And this person is also fearing the same thing, that you're going to reject them, Aquarius. So just be a little mindful that, this coming back together again doesn't lead into some kind of a power struggle or a conflict or something like that. So I think both of you are worrying about the same thing. So let's see, if this person wanted to say something to you, what that would be. I do see they want to have victory with you, Aquarius. I do see that. So before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card, see how my angels are going to bless this reading. Then we'll take the dialogue message cards and see what this person would like to say to you. Speak your truth is the card you get, Aquarius. So yes, if this person wants to come and talk, I think you should also have an open-hearted conversation regarding how you're feeling. Allow them to express how they are feeling, because I think you both do care for each other. This is a very good connection, except that both of you feel the other person is not investing enough, right? They are not investing because they feel, if you become too secure in your own self, you may just want to leave them. So they are misbehaving, and you feel, what maybe some news has come in which you wanted them to feel excited about. In fact, they ignored it, and that hurt your feelings. So you're feeling, they are not giving you what you deserve. Of course, there'll be multiple stories there if you can put them in the comment box, because there's so many of you, each one would have, but basic gist is this. So Aquarius's person, would you like to say something to Aquarius? I did tell you, right? The energies get flipped sometimes. So this could be you feeling this way about your person, or your person feeling this way about you. You would know. Aquarius, this is person. One more. Okay. Let's take a couple more from here, Aquarius. All right, Aquarius. The first card here says, I cry myself to sleep thinking about all the time we've missed out on. I wish I could go back in time and change things. So it's never too late. Don't hold back, Aquarius. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I would love you forever. Your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew then that I wanted to wake up and see your smile every morning. You are never alone because I'm your shadow. When you cry, I embrace you in spirit. When you're sad, I will help remind you to smile. I'm always there with you, even when you don't see me. I'm overwhelmed with obligations. I haven't been happy for a long time. So Aquarius, that's what your partner wants to say. So if you guys can speak your truth and be honest with each other, I'm sure the happiness can return. So whatever said and done, don't stay in limbo, because that can become toxic really, really fast. One way or the other, I think it's time, Aquarius, speak your truth. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste. I'll see you now next Friday.